Welcome to Anya and Maya's kitchen. I'm Anya.
I'm Maya.
I'm 8 years old.
I'm 5 years old.
And we're going to teach you guys how to make a chocolate mud cake. So these are the ingredients. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour.
2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder.
1/4 tablespoon of baking powder.
And 3 tablespoons of sugar.
1/8 tablespoon of salt. Teaspoon of salt, sorry.
1/4 cup of milk.
2 tablespoons of vegetable oil.
And the last one, 1 tablespoon of Nutella. We got everything ready in our, baking. So we have the dry ingredients, the wet ingredients, but not Nutella. And we have Nutella.
First, put the dry ingredients really carefully. You don't want to spill them.
Hey, you can use a spoon.
Whoops.
Oopsies. I think I dropped it or something. I think a little, but I dropped it.
A lot of dust.
You need to add a lot of it. All of it. It looks like a dust. There, I got it all. Next, we're adding the
Wet ingredients. Liquid oil. Careful.
Use a spoon. Carefully.
And then mix it carefully. And well.
Yeah, of course you need to mix it. And how are you going to make it? Come on. Okay, I'll just leave it.
What happened?
It was not coming.
Oh. And once you
Okay.
So this is how it turned out. It's dark brown.
Yeah.
And that's how yours should look too. But if it's still like a little light brown, you should keep mixing. And now we're going to add our Nutella.
All of it.
Oh, get it all in there.
Okay. Wait, you already put all of it in this side. I just started. I think you can get any inside.
Okay. After you put the Nutella, microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds. Okay, now it's done, and now it looks like this. It all puffed up, and the Nutella's still there.
Yeah.
And now for the best part, tasting time!
Yeah, but I'm just tasting the Nutella right now.
It's really good.
But it's so hot.
Nice and creamy.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And hit the bell button. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.